Hello class. In last video I have told you about variable declaration. How can you take a variable in your program? Today I am going to tell you typecasting. Typecasting. This typecasting is also known as type conversion. What is this typecasting or type conversion? Typecasting or type conversion means to convert a value or a type into another type. If you have a value of one type and you want to convert that type into another type, that is called typecasting or type conversion. Means to convert one type of value into another type is called typecasting or type conversion. There are two types of typecasting. The first one is implicit and the second is explicit. Implicit typecasting, explicit typecasting. What is this implicit and explicit? Implicit typecasting means if a type is automatically converted into another type, that is called implicit, and if a type is forcefully converted into the another type, that is called explicit typecasting. How? Okay, let me show you using an example. Suppose I am taking integer a is equal to 5. It means this variable contains 5 of integer type. Okay, I am taking another variable. Let me take another type. I am taking double b. Okay, if I want to convert this type into this type, it means here the value is 5 and I want to store this 5 into b, then this 5 is directly stored into the b because this double contains integer type directly. Let me show you. B is equal to a. It is assignment operator. If I am writing b is equal to a, it means a is directly stored into the b, and here you can see one data type is directly converted into the another type. Now this 5 is going into the b, that's why, and b is of double type, that's why this 5 become 5.5, 5.0. It means this value will become a double value or a decimal value. This is automatically converted. It means this normal integer value is automatically converted into the double value. This is called implicit typecasting because it is automatically converted. And explicit, here we will use a force to convert one type into the another type. How? Suppose same thing I am taking here double a is equal to 7.5. It means it contains a decimal value, and I am taking another variable integer b. Okay, if I am writing b is equal to a, it means I want to store this a into b, so this cannot be possible. This is wrong because a is decimal value and b is non-decimal value. It means b is integer type and a is double type. So an integer variable cannot store a double value, so it is not possible. But if we want to store this double value into this a into this b, means integer, then we can write b is equal to int. This is the concept of explicit int. It means I want to store this integer value of this double variable into this integer variable, int a. Okay, now this is explicit typecasting. Here you can see a is double and b is int, so this double value cannot be stored directly into the b. That's why I have used this thing, int within bracket int. It means this is forcefully a is converted into the b. It means int type. This is called explicit typecasting. Okay, now I think you have got this point. Typecasting means to convert one type into another type. If it is directly converted, this will implicit. If it is forcefully converted, this will be explicit. Okay, thank you.